Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this video, we're going to briefly cover what to expect from Module 2, Video 5, in which you're going to basically get some more practice with arrays. And specifically here, we're going to start off with a card shuffling example. So if you take a look at our code, I'll go ahead and run this. And you'll essentially see we start off kind of listing the unique cards, suits, spades, diamonds, clubs, and hearts, and then all the different kind of card values, 1 through, or I guess 2 through 10 with the Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. And then we generate a deck of 52 cards. So this would be like a brand new deck of cards. And then we do a shuffling of those cards. So you can see here we have a 9 of clubs, 2 of hearts. If we run it again, you'll see it's a different shuffling this time. Queen of clubs, 6 of clubs, and so on and so forth. So this is, again, just some more practice with one-dimensional arrays in this case. In this case, when we make the copy, we know exactly how many cards we need, which is how many items we need in the array itself. So this is a great example for arrays. We'll continue this example in another lesson later on. But for this lesson, we kind of stick at it with the arrays, and really getting good at that. So anyway, check out hellodrdan.com for the full video tutorial walkthrough and how to write this code from scratch and really getting an in-depth picture of this type of program. Thanks.